Alright guys, sorry didn't have more for you on this deal. I heard the video all this and tried to do it too, but here's where we was getting ready to paint. We got our sideboards on. That's the silver on top. We was indecisive about that, so I think we decided to leave it silver on the very top. That's the inside. Built all the dash in it, and there's pretty much the final product. But we still got to put the cow catcher and a few little things on it, but you'll see that in the future, guys. There'll be more, and hope everyone enjoys the videos, the little series on the train. Thanks everyone for your support, subscribing and all, and thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. You weenies keep cranking. We'll catch you next time.